Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a drop-down list to a document in Google Docs. All right, so we have this document on the islands of Hawaii with all the islands listed here with some information about each one. And then at the end we have a picture, so we want to put a little quiz at the end here seeing if the readers can identify which island this is. So to do so, simply click where you want to add the drop-down. So we'll put it right here, then we'll put a little introduction to it. Like that. And then we'll click where we want to add the drop-down, go to Insert, Drop-Down. Now there's a couple default ones here for product status and review status, so we'll click on New Drop-Down. We'll just call this Quiz, and you could set a color for each one. So let's call the first one Hawaii here. Okay, so I added some of the choices here, and then if you want to add additional options, just click on New Option for a blank one. So we'll click on Save. So now we have our choice here, so when the reader goes to the document, they can simply select the one they want to choose, like that. And now if you go back to Insert Dropdown, you'll notice you have this one saved in your Dropdown documents here. And you could click on it again to add another one. You could right-click on it to delete it. And if you want to get rid of it, you're going to have to delete this one first, because if you go back here and you go to Edit, you can see you can't delete it. You could just delete the choices here. And by the way, you could also drag and drop and move the choices around as well. So what you need to do to delete it is delete the actual drop-down first, and then you could come back here, insert drop-down, edit it, and then you have a trash can here where you could delete the whole thing. And now when you go back to Insert Dropdown, it's gone. All right, so once again, Insert Dropdown, New Dropdown, give it a name in case you want to reuse it. Check your options here, rearrange them, add colors as needed, and you'll be good to go. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.